Good evening. You're here for Minute Tarot with Lena and John, and I am really. Oh, you're gonna start like this? Yeah, I am. Allergies, seasonal allergies. We gotta rip up that rug in the living room. We're gonna do it. It's happening. It's all coming together. Meantime, we took every other precaution we could possibly take. My ears are clogged. My throat is closed. My skin is burning. It's definitely, and it's allergies. Definitely, it's terrible. Tonight's card is the World tarot card. The World, and it stands for. Remind me if what number that card is. All right, I will. I don't. I think it's whatever. Major Arcana. It stands for a beautiful, like a woven tapestry of perfection. The outer world and the inner world coming together in a very perfect way. The dimensions blending beautifully and being in the flow and having all the connections that you need to make doing them and effortlessly, right? So that's tonight's tarot of the world. Let's take a little looking around in here. We got some beautiful candles going everywhere in the room. What time does it say? 8:12. That's an 11, honey. That's twin flame. No, that's good. So when I suffer I suffer too. Yeah, yep. I suffer too. Anything that you suffer, I suffer. I always told you, I go through it too. You always sound so cheerful about it. I am cheerful about it. Because we're sharing. We're sharing an experience, even if it's not physically comfortable. It's not going to be forever. Nothing ever is. And we'll get through it, and it'll be wonderful, and you'll see. And we also did a lot this morning. We did like a whirlwind of art projects when we worked on them very early. And so that's that wiped you out a little bit. We got up, we did a major cooking project. You're forgetting everything we did. And I know I had my heart set on getting started on painting the chair outside, but my allergies were so fucking intense that I was driven back to bed. And after a couple of hours of nonstop, you would nonstop until you finally were taken down. Yeah. Anyway, seasonal allergies are no joke. I never knew how bad they could become, but because I've always had them to some degree, from very mild to this is the worst. The ears are closed. Everything's blocked and clogged, and I keep gargling with alkalol, which is a mucus solvent. I've been gargling with it like 24 hours. Yeah, I have my air purifier going. I have stuff that I spray the room with, but they're no joke, and the symptoms can become like flu-like symptoms. You can even have a fever from seasonal allergies. And here's the other thing that not everybody understands. They can hit you anytime. Anytime in your life. You can have no symptoms, and then suddenly you could have symptoms. The same is true of pet allergies. I've been really, really looking at this allergy thing in a different way, John. Yeah, it's when you have them really bad, they say you should shower before bedtime. Which I understand that does make sense. You got to get all that pollen off you, or all that animal dander. It's all flying around in the air too. So it's like it's not just on the animals. It's pervasive. So today I experienced like a flu-like takedown this afternoon and just fell completely under. Now I just took an antihistamine, and I'm going to see, hopefully I'll sleep through the night. Last night I got up because I was like choking, because I was choking on like, yeah. And this is not a pleasant conversation, but uh, I'm going to try a new natural remedy. It's coming in the mail. I'll let everybody know if it has a 5-star review or not. It's a holistic medication. Also, I'm going to be using saline spray up my nose to holy shit, it's just unbelievable. What that wraps it up though, right? So because we got we got stuff we gotta do now anyway, so but it took karaoke out of my hands because there's no way I can't do it today. Gonna have to wait on the music. There's plenty of music. If you guys really missed the sound of my beautiful melodious voice singing all the hits, you can go back and look at all the videos, right, honey? Hell yeah. So have a good night, one and all, and praise be God and Mother. Do I have energy to ring this bell? Sure. Get that footsie up there. Show that footsie. Ringing the bell. Don't be jealous of my awesome foot. I love that foot. I know you do.